What's up guys, DylanAyala here. Today I'm going over my favorite features of the 2019 Nautique G23. A lot of things that I love about this boat, so I'm going to try and narrow it down to my top 10. The first feature is the 1,000-hour warranty. So say if something broke on this boat, if it's under 1,000 hours, Nautique is going to replace it. So you take it into the shop, they replace it for free as long as it's under warranty. I have 562 hours on this boat in about a year, a little over a year, and I've been out here like almost every day, so it takes a long time to get to 1,000 hours. I actually haven't had much break on this boat either. I've had like the V-drive go out, and then like the ballast pumps went out once or twice. So that's the only two things that went out, and they were both covered under the warranty. So as long as you keep up with your services, this boat works perfect. So yeah, that has to be my favorite of all features, is the 1,000-hour warranty. Okay, feature number 2, the screen. It's super simple to use and it's very intuitive. You have all of your different panels right here. You have your home screen, music, GoPro, ballast, all of your features, or lights, features. This shows you where all of the stuff is, USBs, batteries, T-handle drain, that's the plug, bilge pumps, 12-volt outlets, aux, and then here's all of your features. So Wakeboard Pro, Wakeboard Intermediate, Wake Novice, Wake Surf, and then you can add your own profiles. So this is mine for surfing, 100%, 90, and then it just remembers your profile. So that's super cool. I love that you can make your own profile and the boat remembers everything. Over here on this side, you have your radio source, tower volume, ballast shift. So if I need to shift weight to the right side, you just click that. The left side, click that side. And then this is super. You can also change all of these out too. So if you wanted it to show something different, you can change that. And then here's your vitals, all of your important stuff, water temp, air temp. So yeah, this screen is super user friendly. It's out of the way too. It's not very it's not in the way, so I really like the design of this. And then down here is your start, your horn, stop button, start button, blower, bilge. So yeah, everything is right in here, super easy to use. And then you have this as well. So this controls music, profile, speed control, different windows. The third feature is this camera. This is my girlfriend's favorite feature. She drives my boat for me. But this is so that you can see the surfer behind you and kind of know when they're ready to get up. Just so you don't have to turn your head and look behind you. You can just glance at your screen, look ahead, and then back at your screen, just so you aren't always turning your head. Super nice feature to have. Next feature is this Bimini. This Bimini is so simple, so easy, and so quick. A lot of boats, it's super hard to put up the Bimini on a hot summer day and it's super annoying, but this one is so simple. All you have to do is come right here, pull this side, this pulls off this Velcro, and then locks into here and twists right there, and then it's set up. So that's that side, and then this side, same thing, Velcro, pull it down, and then it's good to go. And also right here, it's adjustable, so if the sun is going down later in the day, you can pull it in to make it come lower. But if it's still sun's up high, you can have it up high. Oh, I guess that was the last one. Okay. So it has different settings, as you can see. My favorite is to have it all the way in. So super easy Bimini to use, super simple, about 15-20 seconds to set it up. And installed in these Biminis is these surf racks. So I'll throw my board in here. Say your boat's super full, you have a bunch of boards. You can throw your board in here just so it's out of the way, and then it straps right here. So that's super nice to have, especially if the boat's full. Another thing that's super cool on this boat are these racks. So this is how they are without a board. They're swivel right here, so you pull this, and then they swivel in, and then out. And then there are gravity racks too, so they just pull up right here. Instead of the old ones with like the strings, you just pull right here, and then you can flip it around, put your board in here, pull it up, flip it around, and then your board's in there. These are super nice because with these glass-shaped boards, the string pressure is going to put indents in them, whereas these are just gravity, and it's not putting as much pressure on them. So it's super nice to have these gravity racks. I love these. Check out how much storage this boat has. So I have probably, I don't know, maybe 15 life jackets in there, 4 wetsuits, some buoys, super deep, and all the ballast on this boat is subfloor. So what that means is all of it is underneath, so you don't compromise any of your storage space for ballast. Whereas most boats have the ballast bags in these lockers, Nautique did it so everything is underneath. So that's super nice, saves so much storage. And this side you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 boards and room for more. Ropes in here. This is super cool too. These little things flip down, hold your ropes so that your ropes aren't always getting all tangled. As well as these seats, or these under seat storages, connect with that back compartment. So in here I have some lead from wake ballast and towels, a jug of water, just random things. So if you have a full boat and a bunch of people, everybody can have their bags stored. See, we can put this bag in here, it's just my camera bag. But yeah, everything is stored, put away. As you see, it connects to these rear lockers. And like I said before, it's all subfloor, so you aren't compromising any storage space for your ballast. Under here, under the observer seat, this one is the biggest of them all. Can you see in there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have the whole boat cover inside of here. The sub is in here. It's super deep. You can fit so much in that. And then, of course, you have your front storage. These ones are a little smaller, but still tons of room. I have a cover in that one, and then anchor, some water bottles. Tons of room, tons of storage. Of course, trash is gonna build up, so it's always nice to have a place to put it. Nautique did a great job designing this. In here is a trash can. It can be accessed through this observer seat. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. So, right there is your trash can. I use it to hang all my spray bottles on too. So you can see it opens from here, and then you can just throw your trash in here. When you're ready, take the bag out, dump it into the trash. So that's really nice to have for sure. Garbage on board. Having drinks on the boat is definitely a must. So having a built-in cooler is super nice. Usually on most boats, if they don't have a place, you'll notice like people have coolers just kind of sitting around. It's nice to have somewhere to really put it and a designated spot for it. Another sweet feature about the 2019 was this electric tower. 2020, it's now an option, but on 2019 it came standard. All you have to do is put up this Bimini, bring these in, and then right here, these unlock both sides. And then right here, it's just powered by the battery. First, I like to actually get these, pop these out, and then this makes it so that the Bimini is now loose. You can see it's on hydraulic springs. this is how you control it. So power and then down. So it comes down like this. Lock these back in. Just like that. And then I also have a cover that goes over the whole entire boat. So it's fully enclosed. This is nice for me because I keep the boat here at the lake. So it's nice so that no birds, nothing can get into my boat. And it's just fully enclosed. So this is a sweet option. I love the power tower. It's awesome to have. Last but not least is the USBs. How many USBs this boat has? It has 6 different ports, 6 different areas that you can plug your USBs into. There's one right here. So you got 2 USBs and then a cigarette charger, 12 volt, and then 2 USBs, 12 volt. One thing about this boat is that it doesn't have one of these. I don't know what these are called, but so I just got one of these things, adapter, so that I can charge my camera battery. And then there's 2 USBs right here, USBs in here, and then another set up here. So 6 different places for USBs to be charged. Yeah, I guess there's one under there too. I actually have only seen that once, and that was today.
There's one right there.
Yeah. So a bunch of places to charge your phone, definitely a must-have for having a bunch of people on your boat. And overall, this boat is just super spacious. Like, the filling in here is super good. Even if it's totally packed, there's always a place for someone to sit. They did a super good job designing this boat, and I love it. More questions or comments about this boat, share them below. I'll be happy to respond. And as well as follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of tutorials, just like riding videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a like. Consider subscribing. I have a bunch more videos coming, so I'm happy that you watched this video, and thank you for the support.